Hello Simmers! So today's expansion pack game review is going to be on the eco lifestyle. So let's first go to the lot. Here we go, Evergreen Harbour. So sandwiched between rolling hills of evergreen forest on one side and the waters of the Willowpet Sound on the other, Evergreen Harbour used to be the industrial hub of the region. However, as the world changed around it, the region has struggled to keep up. A place where Sims value their community and neighborly love isn't just a pastime. Evergreen Harbour now stands on the precipice of making its own future. The only question is, what kind of future will it be? So then they have some apartments. There's this one. So I think that's the only set of apartments. Yeah. So there's three neighborhoods. There's Conifer Station. Then there is Port Promise and Grimm's Quarter. So with all the little spots here, I'm thinking, okay, I'm not entirely sure because I haven't actually I have played with this pack, but it's just not one of my favorite packs. A lot of people have complained that it was kind of a wasted pack. So I'm not gonna go. I'll go into this community lot here. I'll go into each of the community lots because each community lot has its own like a set of values. So this is called the Waterfront community lot, and you can go to this map here and check out community space projects. So this is the space voting board. That's one of the biggest things that's new in this pack. You can look at it on your mailbox at your Sims home as well, which I'm going to go back to. On that, you'll click on it and then you can vote on, see, you can only vote at home neighborhood, so I'll show you, but there's different like actions that your sim can vote towards, and you can vote more than once, and your vote has an impact on that. There's also the recycling, so you'll see at the top of the where it says bits and pieces underneath the recycler, it says there's like a little paintbrush thing with 1072 and then like a banana peel 4292. You need those two things for the new skill fabrication, which I'm going to show you at home. Then there is the dumpster, which you can sort out recyclables. So let's actually see, let's see what happens. Sort out compostables, nap and dumpster, empty trash, die for meals, die for deals. So that's a way of making the area clean as well. Then you have this little footprint over here, which tracks your Sims eco footprint on the ecosystem basically. Then we'll go to the other community lots, so we'll go to the quarry building, like a park, a little bit homier than the others, but again the voting community space, yeah, they're all the same. The recyclable and the dumpster. So that's basically what's at all of these neighborhoods. Then I'm going to take us to my Sims home. This thing is voting. You can petition. Okay, so voting is currently closed. But you can petition for appeal if you don't like what's happened, or what they're voting for. Then you can also get Sims influence, and ask them, influence other Sims to vote for your thing. Then I think this also came with a check neighborhood plan, so these are the different things you can vote for. So you have a lot of points. So where the megaphone speaker is, and it says influence points, I have 83,817 points, and then you can always add one or change one if you want to. Then to pay your bill, that's on the show bill information. So because I've got the water saving things, I'll show them to you now. I can save water, so I don't I usually do a storage, and then so now I can sell water, and then I actually get money back for saving on water. So this is your bills and utilities, so it's your power and water. If you go to this section here, this is my sort of recycling section. So this is where my home recycling is. Then I've got my dumpster over here. Then these are the water features, and you can go into the building section and type in eco lifestyle and separate what you want to buy. So changing the weather station, I think, is also in the outdoor section. So these are all in outdoor activities, excepting the recycler. No, I think the recyclers as well. So these collect your water, and then that's how you save water. These are supposed to save power, but I guess my house is just too big with too much electricity, and so it doesn't really save much. Then these are your solar panels. So you can, the easiest thing is to upgrade each one to the self cleaning, because they get dirty and then they don't work. But for some reason, like I just said, they don't actually save me that much money on electricity. Then this is the fabrication. So you'll use your bits and bobs, and you can fabricate different things based on your recyclables. So let's say voodoo doll, and you can do furniture, like you saw those rugs, and so you'll see there it says store no more home fabricator, get more bits and pieces by recycling or rummaging or sorting out recyclables, compost, trash, and at a dumpster. Then it says bits and pieces, and again it's got the screwdriver and the banana peels. And then this is how the machine works. So this is one of the new machines. This is under skills. It's a fabrication skill. So my sim is level 10, and then you can purchase dyes from here when your skill is high enough, or you can also purchase them on the computer, I think. And then the other new skill is I think juice fizzing came with this pack. I'm not sure. I know for sure that candle making came with this pack, because you also have to have recyclables. So it's also got the different screwdriver and banana peels, and then you saw that item went into her inventory. Most of the new outdoor saving electricity equipment is in this section. So it's got the little light bulb thing, that's the innovative lifestyle. So this is the insect farm, that's also from that pack. Oh yes, this was one of the new part of the gardening collection, vertical garden, and it's got its own set of vegetables, fruit and flowers, and one of the new ones is soybeans, when you can collect wax, which she uses with the candle making. We'll go slowly through here. Yeah, okay, so this is the ground floor's entrepreneurs table. Gain the ground floor of entrepreneurship with this table. Be your own boss and reap the benefits. So there's different careers. So here we've got our scrappers dew collector, that's the water collector feature. Then our solar panels, you can have one on the ground or one on the roof. Then these are our turbine windmills that are supposed to save electricity, but for some reason they don't work. Then the recyclable, I've already shown you that. Then in the dustbin section is the dumpster. And then in the skills, so you just have to look for that icon. Wherever you see that icon, that means that those items, fabrication, came with that pack. Sorry, I haven't put any cheats in the game, so some of my items are locked. Then is it maybe in here? Just trying to see where you find the candle making, because unless I might have squizzed past. Okay, robotics didn't come with this one. Robotics came with the University pack. Trying to find where the candle making, because candle making is, I think, the skill. Here's the juice fizzing. So I told you that. Oh, there it is. Candle making and juice fizzing. So those are the other two skills. And then obviously there'll be like bedding and different types of lights and energy saving stuff like that in the other sections. Then there is a new aspiration. Here it's in the nature section, and it's the eco innovator. So you have to have get to level 10 of civil designer career, and then vote on eco neighborhoods and stuff like that. In build mode, you'll also see an improvement with your trees. It says eco footprint green 2 points. Also with wall patterns and flooring, and there's new windows as well. So usually when you go into the maps, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to actually, I can't remember, but there's usually, if your neighborhood is not eco-friendly, then it stays white, but if you're eco-friendly, then it goes green. So you can see where the footprint is. It's time to impact the eco footprint. So mine should be eco-friendly, but probably I use a lot of electricity and I've got all the big lights. But anyway, that is the eco lifestyle.